Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Dojo. So today's topic what we are going to learn is database and SQL. So let's go with the basic terminology that is database. Now what is database guys? Database is nothing but a collection of information in an organized way. So it can be easily managed, accessed and updated. So just let me give you an example of a database. So let's think like this. We have an engineering college. So a college, engineering college has different departments, different year. So there are thousands of students do they come from different cities, different countries, and they get their admission within that college. We for those students we have multiple staffs. So where we'll store this information, guys, of each student, of each staff, or the classes, or the department, where all this information gets stored? What do you think? It gets stored into a database. So database basically is used to store information or data. As we all know, data in today's world is the most important thing. It is the most important thing to store our information for all the activities we do. So it needs a place that is nothing but database. And what database basically consists of? Now within a database we store this information into a tables. So one database can have multiple tables. So let me give you again an example of an engineering college. So suppose consider engineering college to be a database where students are studying of different department, different year, different branch, different section, and then there are different staffs. They are there to teach. There are different attenders. There are different practical laboratories, everything. So tables can be considered in an easy way is departments. Now engineering, within an engineering database we can have electrical engineering has one table, mechanical engineering has another table, civil engineering has a other table, computer science has other table. So these tables basically differentiate data within a database. Now we can further divide. Let's take example of civil. So that is it. We can divide civil into more tables. First year civil, second year civil, third year civil, fourth year civil. So what it does it? First year civil table stores the data of all the students who are studying civil engineering who are in first year. Now second year civil table store the information of all the students who are studying civil engineering is getting stored here. Now why we create so many tables or why we need so many tables? So basically these tables help us to differentiate which student is studying where. Now it's not just in engineering. The same can be applied for a company, an IT company, a software company, or any type of industry. So let me give you again an example of a company. So within a company, suppose there are certain section of people who are working as an HR. There are few people who are working as a developer. There are few people who are working as a tester. Few people who are working into sales. So these tables can manage their data. Now these tables make a database. Now what this table consists of? This table consists of data, collection of data in terms of rows and columns. Now we have rows, and that makes a record, a data. Now each row is considered to be a record. Now each row within a table is considered to be a record. Let me show you how. Okay, so if you can see this, I have this Excel file where I have just written a name, course, fee, and department. Now, name is a column, course is a column, fee is a column, department is a column. Now, within the name column, within the first row, if I write a name like John, if I write a course, if I write a fee, if I write a department, now these are the details of John. Now, this record, this row is considered to be one record of John that is unique. it gets unique. So each row is considered to be a record here. Now DB stores information, like many informations. It can be any kind of information. That is what we store in a DB.